Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can change your car battery. Do it yourself and you can save the dollars. The reason I put up this video is because I have the Budget Direct roadside assistance policy, and my battery was down and they were asking $200 to replace the battery, whereas I purchased this one. So this battery from Costco just for $130. So the question is, if I have the Budget Direct insurance, roadside insurance, why should I pay $70 just for putting the new battery, which is not fair. So this is the video I will be showing you what you need to do. And before that, make sure that you have turned off the vehicle and the car key is also with you and it is not in the ignition. And you need this kind of tool. If you don't have the machine, this one drill machine, so you can buy this kind of small toolkit and put it in the car. This is on a very special price of $13 at local Aldi store, so you can get that. This kind of kit may be helpful in the emergency. So this is the car battery and the red is a positive and this is the negative point. So make sure that you have the gloves, and also you have to take out the negative one first, and these are the two screws to lift the battery once these points are unscrewed. So we will be removing this one, negative one, first. So make sure that this cover, when you lift it up, you don't touch both the things, otherwise you will get electric shock and you may get injury. So don't do that. And firstly we will be removing the negative one first, and once that is removed, make sure that it is not touching anywhere on the body, and then we will be removing this one. So you don't need to remove the whole screw, you just have to loosen and then you can lift it up. So the battery is lifted now. So now this battery cover is removed, and so then after this is done, we can remove the other one, which is a positive one. So now you remove the other one also, so your battery is loosened now. So there is one screw, this one you have to just remove that. So you can use any key, but this is loosened now. So this is all done. And this is the old battery, you can lift that. So the battery is removed, as you can see. So I need to now put up this new battery, and there is a dust. You can clean that with some brush or any soft cloth. So in the new battery also, this is the positive and this is the negative. So now this is the grip to attach the battery, and once this is done, so I have tightened the battery holder. So now we will be putting the positive one first. So this one will be going first. So once this is all in, then you can tighten the screw. So once it is all done, then you can tighten the other one, so which will be this negative one. and then you can tighten this one. Make sure that these two are tightened properly. So our battery is replaced now, so you can see it is all tightened. So our battery is replaced. Now let me start the vehicle. So our battery is installed now. That's really great. Guys, this is a procedure about how to change the car battery in writing, and this is the tools and material needed. So you need a new battery, so you need to check the correct size and specification as per your vehicle, and you need a wrench or socket set. So generally it is 10 mm, and you need a gloves we recommend, and safety glasses for we also recommend that, and then a battery terminal cleaner or a brush or a cloth even you can use that. So you just have to make sure that the engine is off, and you are doing this work in a well ventilated area, and avoid any sparks or flames, and there should not be any inflammable, highly inflammable material inside the like where you are doing this job. Let's say in the garage you have something very close, so you don't do that. Do it on the street, so that will be better thing. And then this is the step by step instructions you have to do. So you need to identify, this is the one of the important things, so you have to identify so which one is the positive one, which is the red with the red cable. So it is marked also as a plus sign, but if it is not, there will be 100% there will be a marking, otherwise it is you can identify with the red cable. And the other one, black cable one, is a negative one. So you need to always remove the negative first. See this one. So always disconnect the negative first. If you remove the red one first, you may get electric shock. Please don't do that. And then after that you can remove the positive one, red one, and make sure that the both the cables don't touch each other. And then after that you need to remove the battery holder and unscrew that. And then once the bracket is like unclipped, then you can put up the new battery. And also when you are lifting the battery, it is usually heavy, so make sure that it is not falling on your foot and all that, otherwise you can get injury. Okay, and then I suggest you use a wire brush to clean the like a battery connector or the place where you put up the battery. And then you can put up the new battery, and then when you are putting the new battery, after that you have to put up the positive one first, so it is other way around. So you need to put up the positive one first, and then after that the negative one. So now the question is how to like dispose of the old battery. So on your local council there may be a certain website. So this is a problemwaste.com.au, so you can fill up this form, and they can do free pickup. And see, these are the car batteries, household batteries, so they pick up few of the item, so they will pick up from your place. So you can check in your local area, and also on your closest super cheap auto. This is a very popular website in Australia, so you can go there and simply drop the old battery even if you haven't purchased from that store, so they can take the old battery. So our job is all done. We replace the new battery, and we save $70. So you can do it yourself, but certain precaution you have to take, and you have to wear the gloves. And as I said, when you uninstall the battery, then you have to remove the negative first, and then you have to remove the positive first, and make sure that both the tires don't touch each other. And when you are installing the battery, then you have to put up the red one first, and then put up the other one. Okay, and also you can't throw this one in the bin, so check in your local council where you can dispose of this battery. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.